Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your very own Shopify store using just your mobile phone. No laptop needed, just follow along step by step and you will be ready to sell online in no time. First of all, install Shopify app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Shopify and download the Shopify app. Then click once it's installed, open the app, tap on Get Started. Now let's create your account. Enter your email address, a secure password, and your store name. Don't worry, you can change your name later, so just click I'm not selling it, or you can skip all the process. Then open with Chrome. If you have an account, just click login, enter your Shopify address, email address and password, then continue with email, then click login. Now skip for this time the plan. Now we are inside the Shopify dashboard. Let's walk through the basics. Tap the three dot bar. Then click content. Now here you will add your content like video, photo, etc. Now go to product tabs from the bottom left, bottom right. Now click add your products. Give it a title like t-shirt. Add description. Then set a price like that. You can change the currency. Now scroll down to set inventory if needed and choose shipping settings. You can add variants like color, size, etc. Then add color, white, red, then save it. Once done, click the save button from the upper right corner. Next, tap customize theme under sales channels. Click the plus icon, then choose your browser. Now you can add some plugin like print, point of sale, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Now click on the three horizontal line. Choose a free theme like Dawn or explore others. Tap to customize. Tap customize to change images, text, and layout all from your phone. Then click online store. Choose a theme like Spotlight or Dawn, then customize. Got it. Time to get paid. Go to your dashboard, then click the three line, then settings. Now go to payments tab and connect PayPal or other gateways depending on your country. Just follow the prompts. It's super simple. To make your store look professional, add a domain. Just go to settings and scroll down and select the domains tab. You can buy one directly in the app by tapping buy new domain, or if you already have a domain from somewhere else, just click connect existing domain. Almost done. Before launching, make sure you have added a product, set up payments, and updated your theme. And that's it. Your Shopify store is live and ready to take orders, all from your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.